Hey guys, today we're going to walk through our week 5 model for the first 6 weeks, and this week we're trying something different. So I just ask for your patience while we learn how to go through this. We're starting Con Math. I've already put assignments in. So you'll watch the video on Monday, and then you will do your daily attendance check. I've decided not to do it on the home page with the form. We're going to do it every day in the module. A lot of people are having trouble with it right now. So September 21st through 22nd, we're going to be doing combining like terms. So you're going to click on this link, and it's going to take you to Khan Academy. Before you all email me, I'm going to email each of you your username, and the password is mathisfun. I really wish we could use the same username and password for everything that we do, but unfortunately, lots of different apps and websites need longer passwords, or they combine your name with numbers, so I'm sorry for this change. Okay, we're going to click on Khan Academy, and it's already logged me in as a student. So you're going to see this when you log in. It's going to say Ms. Stricker, 7th Applied Math, and My Assignments. Do not freak out when you look at this. This looks like a whole lot, but this is for the entire unit that we are getting ready to start. So we're starting expressions, equations, and inequalities. I'm going to spend all of these due dates. It looks like you have, so many things due. I need to go in actually and change that, because you are going to have from the 22nd to the 23rd to get these items completed. Let's just kind of click on one. So I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to start this. Whenever it has this little play button by it, that is a video. So all you're doing is watching a video, and then you'll have some practice. And some more practice, and then another video, some practice, and that's it. So it's not as frightening as it may look. Okay, so you're going to go in here.
2 Chuck Norrises. You could also do this 2 times Chuck Norris, and this is just another way of representing it. And 3 Chuck Norris.
You're going to watch the video. Y'all really need to watch the videos. I really like how he explains math. I think he has a really unique way of doing it, and I think it's very helpful. So, since the binders did not work out, I can't do something that everybody doesn't have access to. Does that make sense? So, I can't do live lessons and have you fill out notes in a binder if not everybody has the binder. So, that's why we're scrapping that, and we're going to have to do this. We have to go with the flow these days. So that is exactly what we're doing. Anyway, you'll go through here and you will watch the video, and then you'll click next assignment, and it's
This video, I've included something another more
video.
Soothing. So
He takes you just at a different angle with it. He's still combining like terms, but this time it's with negative coefficients and distributions. So just look at that. This is all for 7th grade math. Do not panic. If something is really just too hard, if it's really difficult and you are just not understanding, we can always do Zooms, and we can talk about it during the Zoom. We can always back this up if we need to. So you need to keep communicating with me. It's really hard to do this virtually, and I want to make sure that you guys are really understanding it. That's really important for this to work. So you're going to go through, you're going to do your assignments. I'm going to go in and change these due dates to September 23rd. Yeah, you have to watch a few videos and you have to do some practice. It should not be taking you that long, and you should have plenty of time. However, if the 23rd comes around and you're like, this is way too much, then you just need to let me know, okay? Like I said, this is new for us. This is certainly new for me, this Khan Academy, so we're trying it out, And we're going to see if it works for us. And it may not, and that is okay. We can figure something else out. I would have done Learning Farm. They just didn't have very much for equations, expressions, inequalities. I don't think that it's going to be enough to get you through learning it. So that's why we're doing Khan. We're just going to do something different. As I go back into the module, every day is the same. We're keeping it very, very consistent. So Wednesday, you'll do your attendance check. I'm sorry, I skipped a day. I'm way ahead of myself. So Tuesday, you're going to do your attendance check, and then it's the same combining like terms. You're just continuing through those tasks. Wednesday, you're going to do your attendance check, and then you're going to move on to the next topic, which is the distributive property. Thursday, it's the same thing. You're doing your attendance check, and then you're going back to Khan, and you're finishing the items that you didn't finish from Wednesday. Friday is fair day, and it's a holiday. I will say this. Say you are just whizzing through this stuff. Like, you're like, this is super easy, and I'm getting through this really quickly. If you are done, you always have the ability to do iReady Math. Those lessons are really important for us, so we need to make sure that we're sneaking that in. Right now, I need us to dive into equations and inequalities, and we will get iReady back in the mix. But if you get through everything and you still have time, then absolutely do an iReady lesson. Do not forget that you should be using a calculator on this. And if anybody is having trouble with that, or you need a calculator, please let me know and I will get you one. All right, that's it for this week. Like I said, do not panic. I'm gonna email you your usernames. I am going to be checking in every day to make sure that you are doing this work. Unless I tell you, all of this will be a daily grade. All of those little practices that you do, I get your scores. I get to see how you did on those. Those will come directly to me, and those are just going to be a daily grade. I want to make sure you're watching the videos and you're attempting that practice. If it is a test or something that I'm going to take for a major grade, I will let you know. I will highlight it. As always, if you don't do well, you absolutely have a chance to do better. This is not about getting you. This is about teaching you and having you learn. So keep that in mind. Keep communicating with me. And I will see you on our Zooms, hopefully. Bye for now.